Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone dynamic length library error. Usually an arc dynamic length library error too with the ISDone. So it's related with to the installation of PC games as well programs of large size. Large games or programs have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So there is a solution for you. You can try to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. So you can hold Windows key and R key in order open the run. Here you can type ISDM.cpl. Click OK. In order to open system properties, you can click advanced settings. Again, you can click advanced and change virtual memory. Untick the box so you can fill the custom size. There's initial size and maximum size. You have to pay attention how much RAM that you had on your laptop or on your computer. So here, for most games, 2.5 GB is enough. So the value which will work in most cases, the minimum is 400 and maximum size is 3000. Note that the files are in megabytes, so they set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.